How to delete Tinder account permanently. So if you want to delete your Tinder account permanently, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Tinder. And after searching, go for the first search, which is tinder.com. And here, make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, now you can go for the upper left, which has your profile icon. Simply click on your profile and scroll down, scroll all the way down to the last. And here you will have delete account option. Simply click on delete account. And then if you want to hide your account instead of deleting, then you can go for hide my account. But if you really want to delete your account permanently, then go for delete my account. And again tap on delete my account, and that's it. Your account has been deleted. So that's how you delete your Tinder account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.